How to remove suggested post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove suggested post on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, let me tell you that Instagram cannot completely remove suggested post from the feed, but using not interested and adjusting preference will reduce them significantly. So now, without further ado, let's proceed with that step. So here, first thing, you have to open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is simply scroll through your feed, and their suggested post will usually appear after you have seen all your recent posts from the people you follow. And here, once you find the suggested post, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon beside that post. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is just tap on not interested, and with that, Instagram will show fewer similar posts in future. And with that, you can also go to the profile and tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you can do is just tap on the search bar at the top and simply type ads preferences, and there you can just tap on add preferences. And here, once you're inside the add preferences, what you can do is simply go to the add preferences option, and there you can simply reset or adjust the preferences to influence which suggested post appear. And with that, you can just go back, and it will help to reset the suggested post. And with that being said, you can also go back and tap on the Instagram logo at the top, and from the pop-up menu you can just select following or favorites to see only posts from people you follow and avoid suggested content. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.